welcome to the 2026 Annual Marketing Luncheon. The sense of possibility right here in front of us. It's truly breathtaking.
We added a special location this year in Greater Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
This is the moment where everything comes together. This is Greater Fort Lauderdale reimagined, a refreshed identity inspired by the water that shapes us. We align with partners who help us reach new audiences in authentic ways. It is my pleasure to introduce Anton Lendell of the Florida Panthers, our newest Visit Lauderdale brand ambassador. Go create more memories and help us tell our story far beyond this room. Thank you for being our partners, for believing in this destination, and helping bring this story to life.